किस्मत से फिर मिले हैं अय्याम साद हमको ले.
The month of Ramadan is the perfect opportunity to do moral training of our children. Even though those children who are younger than 15, they do not keep fast, but they can recite the Holy Quran in this month of Ramadan, give sadaqah, offer nawafil, and try to offer all salat in congregation.
Each Ramadan, as a family, we try to involve the children as much as possible. I use a calendar to help the children learn something new. In the past, we filled cards with Allah's attributes, Quranic ayahs, and Islamic facts. Last year, we focused on 30 masajid from around the world. We also have a tradition where the children trace their hands and write what they would like to pray for during Ramadan. It's a nice way to help them focus on their prayers. From a young age, they will develop love for the spirit of Ramadan and value it.
Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Rabi Rahimahullah Ta'ala once mentioned that it was a custom in Qadian that the parents used to wake up their children for tahajjud prayer. They would do sehri together. If we develop these habits during the month of Ramadan, this will help each one of us to follow this throughout our life.